Determine the monthly payment for the installment loan. Use the installment payment formula. So the amount financed is P, 24,000. This could be like for a car, maybe 24,000. Our rate, whoa, this is pretty high, 9.5%. Number of payments per year, so it's going to be 12, and then the time is 4 years. Yeah, actually, cars you usually pay back in 3 to 5 years. All right, so we're going to use that formula. It's equal to, so your monthly payment we have a negative in the exponent. So that's something to be aware of. Okay, so this is, again, a part of the course where this calculator is a little useful. It's more useful than the other ones. Let's figure out, and I'll show you my calculator screen. So it's the principal amount times 0.095 all over 12. One we're doing. All right, somebody's in there. Pretty sure. After teaching this for a few years and everything, so you can, I know that some people like to do it in steps. So you can calculate the numerator first and then the denominator second, and then do the division if you want. I personally like to put it all into my calculator. I'll write down how I would do that here. So M equals 24000 0.095 divided by 12, and then divided by okay, a lot of parentheses here. Normally in the classroom, I would walk around and see where you're making a. So I can try to do that through Zoom today during class, or even I could do that in office hours later if necessary. But I know that some of you are going to be making some small mistakes typing this in. So let's figure that out now. The answer is what? The monthly payment. So how long are we paying this for? We're paying it for 4 years. We're paying every month. We're paying $602.96. So you always want to round it to the nearest cent if it doesn't say what to round it to. Okay, so how much, what's the finance charge then? Okay, so I'm going to ask you an extra. This is not part of the question here, but what is the finance charge? Okay, so that's the amount of interest and fees, but we're not going to, we don't know of any fees here. So basically, we want to know what is the total interest that we've paid. Over 4 years, we borrowed $24,000. Any guesses how much interest we've paid? In the lecture videos, they might have, I know that they explained to use some chart to figure out a finance charge. You are allowed, I've always done it this way. I like to figure out the finance charge by calculations, not using the chart. And if you do it my way, then you're gonna sometimes be 5 cents off or something. Because the chart that they have is just an estimate. So you can do it both ways. So I'm saying if we're borrowing $24,000, how much interest did we pay? If we're paying every month $602.96 for 4 years, how much interest did we pay? Well, let's figure out what the total installment cost is. So let's do $602.96. We're paying that every month. So it's times 12, right? And then we're doing that for 4 years. So what's our total installment price? So 602.96 times 12 times 4. Looks like over the course of 4 years, we've paid $28,942.08. Okay, so how do we know how much interest we've paid? It has something to do with this, right? Good. So we got, I see some of you got up to this. So this is called the total installment price. So this is how much we've paid after 4 years every month. But now I'm asking the finance charge. So how much did we pay just in interest? We borrowed that much. So wouldn't we just do this amount minus that? Good. Very good. I see some answers that are correct there. So I wish I had more space. So yeah, we're going to do minus the amount that we borrowed. I'm going to just write it over here too. So that means it's going to be $4,942.08 is our finance charge. That's how much we paid the bank to borrow $24,000.